It may be holiday season in the United States, but Donald Trump's new H-1B crackdown has turned a routine holiday trip into a high-stakes gamble for thousands of Indian tech workers. What was once a simple visa stamping trip home to India has become a potential one-way ticket out of the American dream. It was in September that the US president started his campaign against immigrant workers, slapping a whopping $100,000 annual fee on every H-1B worker. The message was blunt: pay up or keep out. Since then, the Trump administration has quietly doubled down, ordering tougher checks, longer security vetting, and an aggressive review of social media for work visa applicants. The result? Some of America's biggest tech companies are now doing something they almost never do: telling their highly skilled staff to stay put. Apple and Google have warned employees on H-1B and other work visas to avoid international travel unless absolutely essential after their immigration lawyers flagged the risk of being stuck outside the US for months. Internal advisories urge workers without a fresh visa stamp in their passport to cancel foreign trips, speak to company immigration teams, and treat every border crossing as a serious legal risk. Amazon, Microsoft, and others are reported to be issuing similar cautions to visa-dependent staff. Behind the panic is a sudden wave of visa chaos in India. US consulates in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Kolkata have postponed thousands of H-1B and H-4 appointments. Some push deep into 2026 and even 2027 as they scramble to roll out new social media screening rules. Interviews that Indian techies had logged in for mid-December, often after biometric visits, booked tickets, and approved leave, vanished overnight with one email replaced by slots months, even years away. Hundreds, possibly thousands of Indian professionals who flew back to India to renew their H-1B visas this month are now stranded, with jobs and lives hanging on an interview date they no longer control. For Indian families, the impact is brutal and intimate. Some workers are stuck in India while spouses and children remain in the US, school terms disrupted, and mortgages to pay on homes they can't reach. Others find their salaries paused because they are no longer physically present in the country they legally work for. Many had planned brief trips for weddings or year-end holidays, only to discover that getting the visa stamp to go back could now take 9 to 18 months. Trump has described the crackdown as a fight against systemic abuse of the H-1B program and a way to push companies to hire more Americans. But for Silicon Valley, it is already disrupting critical engineering teams and product roadmaps, especially in AI and cloud, where Indian and other foreign-born professionals make up a huge share of the talent pool. Apple and Google alone employ hundreds of thousands worldwide, and insiders say even a small share of key staff being locked out of the US for months can derail product launches and delay billion-dollar projects. Indians are at the center of the storm. Official data show that roughly 70% of H-1B visas are held by Indian nationals, meaning any tightening of the program hits Indian workers, Indian IT companies, and India-born executives the hardest. Industry estimates suggest tens of thousands of Indian H-1B families have had travel plans torn up this winter alone, with many now weighing whether to give up US jobs entirely or move to friendlier destinations like Canada and Europe. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.